Hi guys, Derek Trainer from Megabikes. I'd like to get a message out around what we're doing in Megabikes around the coronavirus crisis. And based on the advice that we received from the government just yesterday, we are keeping both stores open, being a repairs or a motor industry based store. We have workshops in town, in the city centre and in Ballymount. They'll be operational as always 6 days a week. And what we're encouraging our customers to do though is just to be sensible and be considerate of the crisis that we're in. Should you need to come in to collect parts, follow the distancing guidelines that we have on floor, use the disinfectant stations we have, and call in advance. If you know that you need to collect a few parts, give us a ring, an email, a Facebook, a text message, whatever suits. We'll have your parts ready to collect and it'll reduce your time in store and keep both you and the staff in shop as safe as possible. The final thing I would say is, as we always have, we do next day delivery across the entire country. We'd love to hear from you by phone, email or text, and we'll get your parts or your clothing or your accessories dropped straight to your door. Anyway, thanks for your time guys. Be safe and I'm sure we'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye.